Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, and I am out at Wood Lake Nature Center walking with my hiking poles, and I am 29 days post-op, total hip replacement on the right side. I promised you an update at 4 weeks post-op, which was yesterday, and I started my outpatient physical therapy. Saw my physical therapist Shania. She says I'm doing really good. I have been a little doubtful from time to time as to whether or not I can have the other hip done, which would be in 13 days on August 12th. But I am weight bearing pretty good and walking pretty good, doing some exercises that she gave me yesterday. And it is her opinion that I should not have any problem whatsoever going through the second procedure on August 12th. So we are going to move ahead with that. But I've been doing pretty good. There have been some ups and downs, but overall it's been up, and my pain level is maybe about a 3, so that's doing good, and really have no complaints at all from this point. And I'm hoping to get stronger in the next 13 days so that this right hip can support my body as I go through the left hip replacement. So I'm doing really good. Actually, I can balance on that hip replacement side, pick up the poles, I can stand there for a little bit, and so I'm really doing well. So this is a very quick message. I just wanted to post and let you know how I'm doing. I probably will go ahead and maybe I can send out a quick video right before that second surgery just to let you know how I'm doing, and then I'll post again at 1 week post-op left hip replacement, which will be 6 weeks, no, it'll be 7 weeks post hip replacement on the right side. All right, thanks everybody. I'll talk to you next time. Stay strong. Take care.